weather changes from day to day and from place to place. In some countries, the weather is usually warm, but in others it can be very cold. People often talk about the weather because it is an important part of daily life. When the sun shines brightly, the weather is sunny. Sunny days are often warm or hot. In summer, the temperature can be very high, sometimes over 30 degrees. People wear light clothes, sunglasses and hats to protect themselves from the sun. When there are many clouds in the sky, it is cloudy. Cloudy weather can feel cool and sometimes a little dark. If the clouds become very dark, it may start to rain. Rain falls from the clouds as water. On rainy days, people carry an umbrella or wear a raincoat. After the rain, the air often feels fresh, and sometimes a rainbow appears in the sky. In winter, when the temperature is very low, water falls as snow instead of rain. Snow is soft and white. Children often enjoy playing in the snow and building snowmen. When it is below 0 degrees, water can turn into ice, and the roads can become dangerous. Early in the morning, you may see frost on the ground or on car windows. When the air moves, we call it wind. If the wind is strong, the weather is windy. Very strong wind and heavy rain can create a storm. During a storm, you might hear loud thunder and see bright lightning in the sky. A very powerful storm over the ocean is called a hurricane, and a strong, turning wind on land is called a tornado. Sometimes the weather is foggy. Fog is a thick cloud close to the ground. It can be difficult to see in fog, so drivers must be careful. The weather can be hot, warm, cool or cold. It can also be dry or wet. People often check the weather forecast on television, on the radio or online to know the temperature and weather conditions for the next few days. There are 4 seasons in many parts of the world. Spring is often rainy and mild. Flowers begin to grow. Summer is usually hot and sunny. The sun shines brightly in the sky, and lots of people like to be outdoors. Autumn or fall is cooler and often windy. This is the time when leaves change color and fall from the trees. Then winter is cold, and in some places it is snowy. The weather affects what we wear, what we do, and how we feel every day. How is the weather where you live?